Hello everyone, welcome back to the KSG channel. Today we're doing a run of the garage door, and there's snow on the ground and it's cold outside, so I'm going to try to do this quick. It's like 21 degrees out right now. So here's the tracks, here's the torsion spring, here's the opener. It's a Chamberlain opener, Chamberlain Whisper Drive. It's about 8 years old. I'll try to find a model number on this. Model... It's on the other side. I don't feel like checking it. I know it's an 8-year-old opener, so you can probably maybe find it. It's Chamberlain Whisper Drive, I know that. And it's got no release rope. But that's fine because you can just pull this down right here. Okay, it's way too cold out, so try to do this quick. Still pretty smooth for being 20 degrees out. And the ceiling is wet because of the snow. They got about 4 inches of snow. It's melted a little bit yesterday, and I rode my mower in the snow. Okay, we're gonna do an outside view. Close this nicely, all the way. I'm stepping on snow. I'm wearing these shoes with no socks on. Yep, runs real smooth. I lubed this door a couple months ago for the winter, so it should be good. I don't remember how to do this. You hold this, there we go. And then we'll do cycle count 15,508. And we got 68 out of 4,500. And it's not 12 p.m. because there's a loose wire in here, so it cuts out. And that's the garage temp. It's 47. Belt drive opener, runs nice and smooth. A little whiny, but that's okay. That's how the Whisper drives are, or this Whisper drive is. So that is it for today's video. It's too cold out here. It's 24 degrees. So like, subscribe, share as always. Hope you guys enjoy, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.